Hello everyone, welcome to Munira Shine Academy. In this video, I will be explaining how to find out square root of a number by long division method. In previous videos, I have already explained two methods of finding the square root. One is repeated subtraction method and another is by prime factorization method. This is the third method of finding square root, which is by long division method. Let us take an example and try to understand. Suppose we have a number 529. And we have to find out square root of 529 by division method. So there are certain steps you have to follow. The first step says that make pairs of the digits starting from the unit place, that is starting from the right. Okay, so 9 is the first digit at the unit place, ones place. We have to make pairs of 2. So 29 will make a pair and 5 will be a single digit. Now you have to find out squares such that it is either equal to 5 or less than 5. So we know that we have a perfect square 4 which is less than 5. Now if I find out square of 3, that is equal to 9, which is greater than 5. So we have to take a number which is less than 5. So we will take 2. So you will write a 2 here and a 2 in the quotients place. So 2 into 2 will make it 4. Subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1. Now when you bring down the digits, you have to bring pair together. So in the next step, what you will do, you will bring down 29 together and your number will become 129. Now here what you have to do, you have to multiply 2, that is at the quotient place, by 2. Okay, so in the first case this is 2 and you have to multiply it by 2, that will make it 4. So you have to bring down 4 here and put a dash, right? Now you can take any digit from 0 to 9, that is you can take 40, 41, 42, 43, 49, such that when you multiply it with the same digit, you get a number equal to 129 or less than 129. For example, if I say I am taking 0, so 4 into 4 0 40 and you have to multiply it by 0. So 40 into 0 will be 40, right? Suppose I say I will take 1, so it will become 41. So you have to multiply it by 1. The rule is whichever digit you are taking here, you have to multiply the number by that digit itself. So 41 into 1 will be 41. We have to find out a number equal to 129 or less than 129. Now instead of finding multiplication till 49, you can put a little logic and you can assume that this is 9 and 3 3s are 9. So if I take 43 into 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 129, right? So we know that if I take 3 here, that is 43, multiply it by 3, I get 129. 43 into 3 is 129 and the remainder will be 0, right? So since the remainder is 0, it means that 529 is a perfect square and square root of 529 is equal to 23. This is long division method. We will take one more example to make it more clear. Now suppose I take a number 4096 and you have to find out square root of 4096, right? So the first thing is you have to make pairs. So 96 will be a pair starting from 6 and 4040 will be the another pair. So first thing is you have to find out a perfect square such that it is either equal to 40 or less than 40. Okay, so we know that 36 is a perfect square. 6 into 6 is 36 and if I take 7 into 7, that will be equal to 49. So 49 is greater than 40. So we will have to take 6. So take a 6 here into 6 is equals to 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. Your remainder is 4. Now in the second step you have to bring down 96 together. So this will become 496, right? Now, at this place, you will bring down 6 into 2, that is 12. What you have to do, our quotient is 6. You have to multiply it by 2, which makes it 12. And put a dash here. Now, you can take any digit from 0 to 9 such that when you multiply that number, that is for example 120 or 121, 122 with the same digit, you get either 496 or a number less than 496. Now suppose we know 120 into 0 will be 0. 121 into 1 will be 121, which is less than this. Now suppose I take, we know here we have a 6. Now we know that if we multiply 6 into 6, we get 36, where the last digit is 6. Or if I take 4 into 4, it makes it 16. There also the last digit is 6. And we know that here we need a last digit, which is 6. So instead of calculating each and every number, let us try 124 into 4. So 4 4 was 16, 1 carry, 4 2 is 8, 1 9 and 4 1s are 4, 496. We have reached 496, right? So if I take 4 here, multiply it by 4. So 124 into 4 will be equal to 496 and the remainder is 0. So the square root of 4096 is equal to 64. This is how you can find out square root by long division method. Thank you very much.